करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू करती हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान नहायत रहम फरमाने वाला है। मैं आज अपनी इस तकरीब का आगाज़ कुरान पाक की तिलावत से करना चाहूँगी। कुरान की तिलावत से आगाज़ हो महफिल का, कुरान की तिलावत से आगाज़ हो महफिल का, इस नूर से पा जाए हम रास्ता मंजिल का। मैं दावत देना चाहूँगी महमूदा रहमान को कि वो स्टेज पर आएँ और तिलावत कलाम पाक पेश करें।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अर्रहमान अल्लमल कुरआन खलक़ल इंसान अल्लमहुल बयान अश-शम्सु वल क़मरु बिहुस्बान वन्नज्मु वश्शजरु यस्जुदान वस्समाअ रफ़अहा व वज़अल मीज़ान अल्ला तत्ग़ौ फ़िल मीज़ान वअक़ीमुल वज़्न बिल-क़िस्ति वला तुख़्सिरुल मीज़ान वल-अर्ज़ वज़अहा लिल-अनाम फ़ीहा फ़ाकिहतुन वन्नज्मु ज़ातुल अक्माम वल-हब्बु ज़ुल-अस्फ़ि वर्रैहान फ़बिअय्यि आलाइ रब्बिकुमा तुकज़्ज़िबान। आमन्तु बिल्लाहि सदक़त या रब्बल आलमीन।
इश्क करना है तो फिर चाक गिरेबां कर ले, इश्क करना है तो फिर चाक गिरेबां कर ले, होश वालों से कहाँ रक्से जनू होता है। अब मैं दावत देना चाहूँगी प्रोफेसर इरफान मुगल को कि वो स्टेज पर आएँ और टीचर ट्रेनिंग के लिए अपने कुछ अल्फाज पेश करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I am honored and I am very glad that Sir Anis invited us for the teachers training session, and hopefully it would be a very productive session, and you will, both of us will learn a lot, because teaching the teachers is an honor, and I would extend my thanks to all of the staff who are sitting here, and inshallah this would be a very public speaking. Most of the people are scared and afraid of public speaking because they don't have confidence. If you talk about the environment in the school, most of the teacher can read, listen and write well. But when the turn comes for public speaking or speaking, they are not confident enough to come at the stage. A few of us just feel comfortable and relaxed to come at the stage and present something. So, my name is Professor Irfan, as she has already introduced me, and Mr. Adil Arjun will accompany me. Later on, we would carry on this training session. Next. Please, next. So, if we talk about English training and English learning and speaking, there are two methods. First of all, teacher-centered method is there. This is a method where the teacher is active and all the participants are just sitting and listening to the teacher. And second approach is learner-centered method. This is the method where all of the learners are participating very well. They are engaged and involved. They are also participating in the activity or in the session. Next, please. since we are discussing English language teaching, so first of all, the method that is prevalent in our schools is grammar translation method. Grammar translation method. What do? We first teach the students the grammatical rules and structure, and then we go for speaking and other activities. And the second method is direct method. So what is the difference in both of them? Direct method says that you don't need to learn any of the grammatical rules and structures and anything else. You just discussion based learning. I mean, you can decide a topic among the teachers and you can discuss in English language, in the same language, I mean the target language that you wanna listen. You can discuss the things in the same language. So you can get mastery over that. Public speaking opportunities. Teachers should also be given some public speaking opportunities. They should be called at the stage and they should be given the chance to speak and express their views and ideas in the same language, in the target language that you want to learn. One of the most important thing that we can do is developing language clubs in the school. I mean, as I already told, that it comes with environment, the right and suitable environment. If you have that in your school, definitely there would be, it would be beneficial for you. So we are just taking a short break. It's very useful activity, but you have to take responsibility for that. I mean, tips and tricks never work if you are not willing to work. Always remember, tips and tricks never work if you're not willing to work for that. You learn a lot of tips and tricks, you get strategies, techniques, but they never work if you're not willing to that. So, it is also said that responsibility is the... या ऐसे जरूर करेगा क्या बाल है या नहीं है This is not for you. अच्छा मैंने सारी तरफ भी देखा fidget with hands. I mean, most of the people when they are talking, they play with their hands. Don't do this. Be relaxed, comfortable, confident. Chin up, high shoulders, gentle smile. आप पर्सनैलिटी देख रहे हैं कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचती है जी प्लीज नेक्स्ट